Hello, sir.
Hi. I'll be going to the clubhouse. I may not return until midnight. Make sure you lock all the doors before going to bed, okay? I have the keys.
Okay, sir.
What else? I think that's all.
Alright, sir.
Good night.
Good night, sir. Good morning, sir. Your breakfast have been served.
Yeah, I know. I ate already. I have something for you. I know you said you needed something for your mom's hospital bill. I'll transfer something into your account.
What? Thank you, sir. Really? Thank you, sir. God bless you. I'm very grateful. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You know, it's because of you that I became more efficient at work. And they noticed.
Wow.
Thanks to you.
Thank you, sir.
So, you know, I'll be on my way to work.
Okay, sir. Sir, I packed lunch.
Oh, that's nice. So what's inside?
Beef pasta.
Oh,
Yes.
one of my favorite.
I'm sure you enjoy it, sir.
Yeah, we'll just do it.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Take
Thank
care of
you, sir.
yourself.
Have a nice day, sir.
Alright, I will.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, Christopher, how far now? I'm downstairs already. I'm in my car as we speak. You guys want to hang out? Guy. See, I no go feel wait. I no go feel wait now. I no feel lie you. I no feel wait. As in, I get better me for house, so you do wait for me now. No, you guys should have fun without me. Alright, bro. Hey, my guy.